May her soul rest in perfect peace. Amen.
Good evening, everyone. I have got a lot to say, you know. That's not what I have to say. The only thing I was saying is, I knew some of that went on for years. I was almost going to back down from acting. I preached it a couple of times. And when when I got married and it felt like I was going to, I told myself I need to stop acting because acting wasn't going to pay my bills. I didn't believe in that anymore. AMC came, and almost immediately after that, I met Allwell before AMC, but I would say that I suffered a whole lot, as a struggling actor in the English part. I suffered a lot. Yoruba people say, "Oh, Chian people, oh, Joro people." I suffered a lot. But God used Allwell Ademola to give me hope again. She single-handedly, with the help of God, brought me to the Yoruba industry, and all my sufferings became a thing of the past. Yeah, I'm a celebrity today. Courtesy, I help. And courtesy the help of everyone. You all know where we're going. Colleagues, actually. It's my everything, I can say. Fortunately, it's going to be difficult, I know. Because she's a part of everything I do. She's in my plans, she's in my prayers. And small bucks who was on my behalf. When I was coming into the Yoruba industry, I was told that there are a lot of witchcrafts. So it's not a place for me to come. Yes, I came into the industry believing that there was no witchcraft. Well, I still did not feel that there was any. Until when some things happened and she had to sit me down and analyze those things to me. Before a lot of battles, that's all I can say. And the only thing I feel I owe her, with the help of everyone, is to keep his legacy. Allwell has always believed so much in the up and coming. She believes that if you are no point today, you can be somebody tomorrow. And that's the legacy I want us to keep. If you know Allwell has in one way or the other affected your life, passed through your life in one way, even if it's just to make you smile by watching our screen. However you can help protect our legacy, please do. And I want to say thank you to everyone in the industry, for those that accepted me, everyone out there. If Allwell has offended you in any way before she passed, I beg of you, please. Try to put it in your heart to forgive her. And if I have to, please forgive me. And I pray that Allah I take your teaching of Sarah to see what Kono and Tima going to be the Lord doing many years to come. Only open school, I know, right? But then, whatever you do here is what people will say about you tomorrow. There's affected lives. I have a living testimony. My family is a living testimony. People were holding my mother where she was. People were holding my mother-in-law where she was. People were calling my dad, were calling my father-in-law, calling everybody around me. I just told myself, I'll be fine for you all, and I'll be fine for myself too. Thank you so much. I don't know how to sleep. Please put it together for Rotary Salam, please. Okay? Another veteran that I'll be calling up in the industry is so close that there is no how she would speak for 5 to 10 minutes that she wouldn't mention his name. Either Borel.
Thank you very much, everybody. I don't have much to say. That the Lord gave it and they take it. She came to me. She wants to be in the movie industry. I took her. And I will always say, out of all I took, nurture, thought, She's the only person that will go on air and say, Saheed Balogun is my boss now. Others are still there, but I thank God. The sad thing again, Owen is the only person that will face we actors and say, take good care of your health. She has planned a seminar on health on February 15th. My father is a wonderful man. That is why I always say, Father, no matter what I do, no matter what I say, if I live, let my good work live after me. I'm a president of an association. She was the first assistant national secretary. She mingled with every association. And this is the part of people I look at. When I don't act, I don't care if other producers call me. I know any day, anytime she's going to call me and make people feel my relevance. I sat there. God is the best. We're not doing well. That's a product. What do I want to say? My last film, she played the lead role. But I shot. I want to tell everybody, whatever we are doing, let us remember there is God. May the Lord bless the family. May this be the end of any death of youth in your family. May this be the end of any death of youth in entertainment. Father, you created us. We are like a teacher, like a prophet. We remain people of the past, the future, and the present. Allwell Ademola, rest in peace.
Please put your hands together for Ambassador Saheed Balogun. So this is still a Christian gathering, and I'm permitted to teach us a thing or two about clapping.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for listening. You know what? I don't know what to say. One thing that I've learned this whole thing is that one, nobody knows tomorrow. Treat your loved ones with love. Kò sẹ́ni tó lè mọ ilẹ̀ tó lè mọ́la. The people, I was always with Allwell, and regularly, Allwell máa ń ṣe tábàtìjọ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. She will snap pictures, she will do videos, she will post. I'm never good with things like that. And for the first time in my life, I appreciate videos. I never thought that irú àwọn nǹkan kéékèèké bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó lè ní meaning ju kankan lọ. The people that you see tí wọn ò matter sí ẹ tẹ́ ẹ̀ rò pé ẹ ṣì máa yí wọn ṣé òun ni dẹ́ka respect. If it comes to your mind to call somebody, please call them. Even if it's to say hello, please say it. Allwell was my sister, my friend. I find solace in the fact that as a friend, as a sister, she mo feel pé mo ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó wà ní kápá mi láti ṣe while she was alive. On her birthday in August, I wasn't that really very happy or so much. I just asked her, I said, oh well, here's her birthday. Ìfẹ́ kó dàbí bá ṣe máa ń ṣe every year ní ìmọ̀ra gift ẹ̀fẹ́ ìpìlẹ̀ ọ̀nà tó bá ní kó lọ sí club sí òkúkú nílọ bóyá ṣe ká jáde. Call your friends, call the few people that you can call. Go lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ṣe Chinese restaurant, ṣe bí báyìí. And she said, oh yeah, let's choose Chinese restaurant, let's go. ever go in August, if that will be her last birthday. I wish that this gathering is to celebrate something else. Oya birthday, oya ọmọ, oya wedding, oya kọ̀ọ̀kan. But here we are today. Gbogbo kan tí Ọlọ́run bá fún ní kálukú láti agbára láti ṣe put a smile on someone's face. It's true. May God rest our soul. Thank you for coming.
I could tell that was from a place of strength. Please put your hands together for Dr. Biola at the back.
And 5 days or 6 days before she passed on, she called. My driver was in the car, and she was like, "Thank you, we need to get when you were go back what I am, only for time of family before the dusk. If you see a good news, Allwell is a sweet soul. La fine, but we sent to my daddy. You know, she's a sweet person. I will not use words because her legacy still lives on. And by the time that movie comes out, I'm dedicating it to her. It's for Allwell Foundation that will be launched. And anything about her, I am in for it. Rest in peace, Denobanta. We miss you. Genuinely, we miss you and we love you so much. And this is the reminder for all of us. Thank you so much. Good evening.
Thank you very much, Mumi. That was quite brief.
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I should say that I'm delighted to be here, but it's unfortunate that it's on a note of condolence. I pray that God will give us all the fortitude to bear this great loss. The late Princess Allwell Ademola was our Assistant Secretary General at the point, and she was very beautiful. She was multi-talented, and one thing I actually thank God for her life is that she exhibited her talents before she left us. There are still many of us here who have multiple talents, but we are still dealing with just one. Some of us can sing, we can dance, we can act, we can write, we can direct, we can light, but we are still facing one for now. But there's one thing about Princess Allwell Ademola. She used her talent. She exhibited her talent. A consummate actor, a creative director, a sonorous singer, a very good writer. Like I said earlier,
This is the only thing that we can do to pay our last respect. And I believe that is why we are all here. We will continue to celebrate her because I know that is what she would want. Friends, colleagues, families, it's difficult for me to say, but please, let's take heart. Let's find solace in the fact that she lived a very, very good life. A happy go-fellow. Ilerepa, Onijogo, Ololufe, a lot of people. Again, I welcome everyone here tonight. We will try to make it worth the while. We will try. Thank you to friends. Thank you to fans, the media, colleagues, presidents, executives that are here. We salute you. Welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the beautiful Doi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, special guests here present.
colleagues, friends, and family of our sister, Allwell Ademola, would like to welcome you to this very solemn occasion. One of the most important things to humans should be what people will say about you when you're no longer here, and I would like us to bear that in mind as we go on with today's program. Just know that one day, in the very distant future, by the grace of God, a ceremony like this will be holding in your honor. The only prayer we can say is that it doesn't happen too quickly. But one day, a ceremony like this will be holding in your honor. What will people say about you? Thank you very much and welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Honestly speaking, I can say a lot. We can all say a lot. With the appearance of this gathering, you will know that people want to say a lot about Allwell Ademola. With the appearance of this gathering, you want to know that people are missing already Allwell Ademola. And if you ask everyone seated here today to make a wish, just one wish, is to return Allwell Ademola back to our fold. That is how good she is. Allwell Ademola is an epitome of everything filmmaking. She was a fantastic director. She was a fantastic actor. She was a fantastic writer. Now tell me how we will not miss her. If we will not miss her in the aspect of acting, we miss her in the aspect of directing. If we don't miss her in the aspect of acting and directing, we miss her in the aspect of writing. She was everything to us and she meant everything to us. It came as a shock, but like I keep saying, it is the call of nature. We all owe God that call. It's just our prayer that this should not happen in our midst again. Untimely death of iconic actors, even iconic actors and upcoming actors, we don't want any untimely death in our midst again. We miss her so much, she'll be greatly missed, and it is sad to say the least that she's taken away from us at this time, at her prime. Okay, so she's one of the major coordinators of the Crew Life Matters in the industry, and they had their first Crew end of year party on the 14th of December. It was the first, and she coordinated it. And so we have agreed, both crew and actors, to make sure that to let her legacy live on, we'll make sure that every 14th of December, we do that in her honor. And I also believe that the people that matters in the industry are also planning to see how they can do a couple of works in her name. So I think she will not be forgotten. She will not be forgotten. Say that again? Okay, so I just pray to God to grant them the fortitude to bear this irreparable loss. The pain is not for the family alone, but at least we know she must have a source, and that is the source. So we are praying, even as we are consoling ourselves, we are consoling the family. We don't even know which one to do the most, console ourselves or console the family. But again, like you asked, we need to console the family. We need to take heart. We need to believe in our legacy, to let our legacy live on, so that the family can also take from what we are doing to have respite in our loss.
Don't let your cameras come in the way of what people
It's undescribable. She was someone you cannot even describe. She was a complete entertainer, a complete creative industry player. She was an actor, a producer, a director, a filmmaker, a musician. She was, in her lifetime, a jack of all trades and master of none. Allwell is a complete human being that she derives joy in making people happy. Allwell can go empty stomach. With the little she had, making sure that everybody was completely happy.
So in the what feedback does she have? She taken
You can see the way I described her. As an actor, she has paid her dues. As a producer, she has produced so many movies. As a director, she has directed countless movies and box office movies. As a singer, you can feel her voice everywhere. So Allwell, I don't know, probably she knew she's not going to be too old. She does everything
I'm coming.
Perfectly well.
I need to coordinate. I brought him. I need to take him back. Yeah. So just take it.
I've just answered the question. Unfortunately enough, I used to know Saheed Balogun is by my side now. He's the president of the TGMA. Now I'm working together to making sure that our members are being placed on a proper level. Health-wise, we are encouraging our members now to key into the federal government NHIS so that everybody, it will be easy for everybody, even with little money, to know your status and know what. And the associations are gifts. We are at alert to support any of our members that have any challenges because we believe at first. That is good. That is good. Number two, we have came together. It's okay. Let people who are genuine members of various associations and gifts, let us have the record of every one of them. Pay them the money they deserve so that their labors should not go.
Right, thank you so much.
Pastor and also a pastor's wife. Please let's put our hands together as I welcome Pastor Ayo Neighborhood for her own testimony on behalf of the church.
To a lot of our hearts. A lot of us will tune to the screen so that we could laugh and be happy when she acted. But today, the acting has ended. The light is dimmed. Not because there is not a God that could have saved her, but because there is a God that wrote her story and knew when the story had to end. And so, as I give this tribute in honor of the life that Allwell lived, and also I'm charging myself and everyone to remember what the Bible. Allwell, well done. Take your flowers. As you bow, we celebrate you. Thank you all for coming, and I pray that we all will leave a truly lasting legacy for the world.
Whilst one gets seated, please join me 18. A round of applause for Mrs. B.C. Banjo as she comes off stage. Thank you.
But I would have punished them with that yes or no, others with verse 14. Or if light and move, for them also. Sleep in Jesus will God bring within. Verse 15. For this say.
Everybody, hold on. People in a line. 8 people, 8. 8. No. We have the police van.
8, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
Yes, we are taking the link. So 8 in a line. 8 in a line. We have the police. We have the last man directing us. Alright, everybody come on, please. Don't allow them to pass, please, for now, please. How many guys allow them? Where you go? Where is the banner? Where you go? Where is the banner? Where you go? Please stay here. Oh, okay. So, where is the banner? The banner, please. Bring the banner forward. Let's move. All right, let's go. Let's go. Allwell Ademola. Remember, commitment. Remember, don't get messed up. When I remember Allwell, I remember commitment. What I run away with
Media guys, I don't like this. Oh yeah? I'm coming.
I know there is another fellowship.
Move! That's too close, you don't want to. Move, Dan! Look at you now. Go on, please move. Please move, I will start pushing guys. Move! Move it!
A man drop ẹ̀sìn. Ibi la man drop kan bí sí. Ibi la rẹ̀ bí sí. Drop it, yes, sir.
Hey, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Mídíà. Dáwọ́dì ló jẹ́ ilé gbábì. Ẹ̀tọ́ kan fún wọn.
Please come and drop your candles here.
They can put it here. They can put it here.
Kárí irú rẹ̀ ò Adémọ́lá wa. Ará ìwá wo? Aṣọ ìjàlá wa ná láyé. Àṣẹ́ni tó wáyé yìí kó máa múra lẹ̀ fún ilé ọ̀run tó máa tó bọ̀. Wàká lọ sí ọ̀nà Olúwa. Wàkàbá sí ọ̀dọ̀ Olúwa ní òkè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ Máíkẹ́lì mímọ́. Ara wàkàbá sí ọ̀dọ̀ Olúwa. Àwọn pàdélé tí ó ẹsẹ̀ gbẹ́mí ti tẹ̀. Ọmọ kára mi Kristiani lẹ́pa ìtẹ́ ọ̀nà. Ojú mi ro ọmọdé o, ojú mi ro àgbàlagbà o. Ojú mi ro ọmọdé o, ojú mi ro àgbàlagbà o. Ẹni wá rodò wá lẹ̀, ojú mi ro mi o. Ìbáṣepọ̀ àdínkù láyé. Bàtí rí bàbá bàbá mi, bàjẹ́ pé òdìkú láyé yìí. Bàtí rí bàbá màmá mi, ìbàjẹ́ pé òdìkú láyé yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ ọlọ́run ìbá ṣe lè olùgbàdì á máa dá wọn lára yá ṣọ́ṣọ́. Ó mà ṣe o, ilẹ̀ jẹ́ ni o. Ìbànújẹ́ ni kí màjèsí ó dojú ìyá rọ̀ ọ́nà. Ìbànújẹ́ ńlá ni kí màjèsí ó dojú bí rọrùn. Òkùnjẹ sọ pé rọ lára yé ń pa. Bí gómìnà nílẹ̀ ni mò ń wò ó. Ó dàsọ pé pífùlù ń bá wàá ṣe àbí pran. Ikú o mà dúró. Kí ló ṣe ẹ wá mú Adekola wà lójú ọ̀run ẹni wá ti lọ ó lè sọ pé rán lára yé ń pa ó lè sọ pé rán lára yé ń pa. Allwell ó yẹ kó o sọ pé rán kó o sọ pé prank lọ́rọ̀. Jerusalem tọrọ orí mi ìlú ilé mi ní bákú ẹkún ìbùkún mi ibi ayọ̀. Ìgbà wọlé bí olójú rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run mi. Ó lè sọ̀rọ̀ pé rán lára yé ń pa.